The question is, why 3:40 a.m.? What is the significance of 3:40 a.m.? Wouldn't it work if I get up at 4? Wouldn't it do if I get up at 5:30? What about 6 or even later? The simple answer to this question is, which would definitely sound to you as logical and scientific as well. And in the concept of Indian culture, the day of 24 hours is divided into 8 prahars. In Marathi, you call it as Aath Prahar, Ashta Prahar, and Hindi, you even in Hindi you call it as Aath Prahar. That is, each prahar is of 3 hours. Each prahar is of 3 hours, and one of the prahars, and these prahars are actually as per the sunrise and sunset. They are of 3 hours each, and the 3-hour time before the sunrise is the Brahma Murta. And the significance of this Brahma Murta is that all the physiological parameters of a human body are at the least value in the diurnal range. Because there is diurnal variability. Diurnal is variability as per the natural cycle of the day. It means what? That there is a range of everything, like normal blood pressure, normal bleeding time, normal clotting time. Okay, everything. There is a normal range for every physiological parameter. So this physiological parameter in its range, for example, if some XYZ physiological parameter is having a range of 5 to 10. Okay, normal range is 5 to 10. So the least in the normal is 5 to 6. That is in the morning during Brahma Murta. And in the evening, after 12 hours, that is around 4 to 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, these physiological parameters are maximum. Like, for example, the blood pressure, the bleeding time, the clotting time, the recovery time, etc., etc. So that is why most of the major surgeries, if you have observed, they happen in the morning at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the doctors start the surgery. This is the physiological and scientific background. Now, what it has to do with the yogic science or with the exercise physiology, etc. That when we do exercise, physical exercise, we are enhancing all the parameters of our body. Our body temperature slightly rises, our blood pressure slightly rises, and every the force of the flow of the blood also rises, and so many parameters. So all these rise. So when it is in the least part of the normal range, and at that time if it is rising, it goes to the maximum at the most of the normal range. That is why this is the scientific background and medical background behind exercising in the morning. People say we go to the gym in the evening. Isn't it fine? We're doing it anytime, this and that. So, I mean, we don't have to go for a clash with them, but there is scientific basis for everything. There is logical reasoning for everything. And this is there for exercising and breathing in the morning. So this is the significance. So 3:40 to 4 a.m., this 20 minutes of period, it is the range in the lowest part of the normal range of the physiological parameters. And 3 hours prior, that is nowadays it is rising at 6 o'clock. The sun is rising around at 6. 21st June is the longest day of the year. So it will be even earlier. So almost 3 hours roughly before that is the Brahma Murta. And the Vedic culture, it describes a lot of spiritual importance. If we don't believe in spirituality, then that is another story. But at least we can follow this scientific as well as this logical reasoning wala background, and we can go with it. That why we have to get up at 3:40 this is the reason.